The problem I had, which I consulted Patrick on when I came for a 6-monthly checkup, was a gap in my lower right-hand jaw, 2 or 3 teeth missing from dental situations over the years. He advised an implant and a bridge, and that was carried out most efficiently, and therefore has rectified the problem that I had before. Patrick, the dentist who treated me, operated on me most efficiently. I felt very comfortable with his work. We're on first name terms, which I appreciate very much because it could be otherwise in a stressful situation. The benefit of having the treatment done was to make it easier for me to eat and chew, which I didn't have before, on the lower right hand side of my jaw. So much more comfortable in eating, and I don't even think about it now. Advice I would give to potential patients would be to have no worries whatsoever about the experience, because I have never had that, never had a worry in the world about coming to this practice. I would recommend this practice to others because from beginning to end it's totally friendly, efficient and very, very professional. Highly recommended.